Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the stamp set Enjoy Life, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and then I have the Polka Dot Basics embossing folder. Just going to put that in, run that through. All right, and that is all that we're using the Big Shot for. Okay, and then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 2 by 2 7/8. And I'm going to come in with my soft seafoam. And then for this card, we are using the Enjoy Life. We're going to be using this silhouette and Wake Up, Kick Butt, Repeat. So with the soft seafoam, I have this stamp mounted on clear block D. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with the Granny Apple Green. And we are going to use the sentiment for that. And this is mounted on clear block B. And I just want it right here in the middle. So just like that. And now we can start putting this card together. My card base is Granny Apple Green, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then we're going to get our embossed piece. Put that down. So just like that. And then I have a piece of the Settles Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 4 by 2 1/2. And then I want this right there. And then we are going to put our sentiment down on a piece of Granny Apple Green, and that is cut at 2 1/8 by 3. So just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And I want it right there. All right, so here is a quick and simple card reminding somebody to be awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.